What's the meaning of bunch? Bunch. Bunch.
Bunch. Bunch. The word bunch typically refers to a group or cluster of things that are similar or related in some way. It can also refer to a group of people, as in a bunch of friends. The term is often used informally and can convey a sense of casualness or closeness. For example, a person might say, "I have a bunch of work to do," to describe a large amount of tasks they need to complete. In botanical terms, bunch is also used to describe a type of grapevine. Overall, the word bunch encompasses a variety of meanings and contexts, all of which involve a grouping or collection of something.